41.
41.
41.
Orijentacija.
Where is?
Where is?
Gdje je turistički ured?
Where is the Tourist Information Office?
Where is the Tourist Information Office?
Imate li plan grada za mene?
Do you have a city map for me?
Do you have a city map for me?
Može li se ovdje rezervirati hotelska soba?
Can one reserve a room here?
Can one reserve a room here?
Gdje je stari grad?
Where is the old city?
Where is the old city?
Gdje je katedrala?
Where is the cathedral?
Where is the cathedral?
Gdje je muzej?
Where is the museum?
Where is the museum?
Gdje se mogu kupiti poštanske marke?
Where can one buy stamps?
Where can one buy stamps?
Gdje se može kupiti cvijeće?
Where can one buy flowers?
Where can one buy flowers?
Gdje se može kupiti vozne karte?
Where can one buy tickets?
Where can one buy tickets?
Gdje je luka?
Where is the harbor?
Where is the harbor?
Gdje je tržnica?
Where is the market?
Where is the market?
Gdje je dvorac?
Where is the castle?
Where is the castle?
Kada počinje turistički obilazak?
When does the tour begin?
When does the tour begin?
Kada završava turistički obilazak?
When does the tour end?
When does the tour end?
Koliko dugo traje turistički obilazak?
How long is the tour?
How long is the tour?
Želim vodiča koji govori njemački.
I would like a guide who speaks German.
I would like a guide who speaks German.
Želim vodiča koji govori talijanski.
I would like a guide who speaks Italian.
I would like a guide who speaks Italian.
Želim vodiča koji govori francuski.
I would like a guide who speaks French.
I would like a guide who speaks French.